Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a greenhouse out of an old trampoline. This trampoline has been in our family for many years. But the legs are finally rotting, so it's time to repurpose it.
Whoa!
Cool.
Did you get that?
Yeah. If you have an old trampoline, or if you can find an old trampoline, it doesn't cost very much to put this together, and it's real quick. Let me get the trampoline down here and we'll start putting this together. Self-tapping screws here. This is 1 inch by 10 foot conduit that I picked up at Home Depot for $18 each. A scrap over there, I'm going to cut some pieces off, put it into the ground so that we can stake these into the ground. But what did that take me? 10 minutes? Walk under this. This is a good 7 feet high. This 4.5 inch disc, they've been working pretty well. Yeah, that one was worn out. Okay, I've got 4 of these. These are my stakes. Put them in the ground, and then we're going to slide this right on top of it. Maybe put them in about halfway. See if we can slide this on top of it. That'll hold them in pretty strong. Let's see. Just push that in there. Went down about 4 inches, maybe it stopped right there. So, okay. So this is going to pick up everything by almost a foot. I'm okay with that. Give us even more walking space underneath. Yeah, these probably didn't need to be this long. All right, I guess the hens approve. We haven't put any plastic over it yet, but I'm planning on putting just some opaque or clear plastic on top of it, and it'll make a great greenhouse. Future plans will probably fence this in, maybe even throw a bird netting on top of it, really keep the deer out, keep the birds out, keep the squirrels out, really. A lot of squirrels. Stick around for some bonus footage. We graded this whole area. It's about 20 feet by 20 feet. Tilled up the topsoil a little bit to get it ready for the garden. All right, that'll give us plenty of room, plenty of light for this garden. Look at all these hedge apples. We get thousands of these every year. Also called monkey brains, hedge apples, Osage orange. I've got a ton of different names. Squirrels like to eat the seeds.